this? So this is a quad Rangpur Police Lines College, and here the student of school and college they are studying here, and you can use another sentence like when can you get here? So I can say that the time of school time and college time, and beside I generally see that most of the people, most of the students they come to entertain and play in this background, in this playground. And there is a park park in front of the playground. So after 1 minute or 3 minutes you can see this is park. And next question there's you ask question there's, so how about the system of education police lines school and college? So to honestly I taught to student who studied, and one student he has been studying here, I think he reading class 5, and the system of education of this college is good, because when I taught them I saw there's the discipline, their discipline, actually syllabus discipline, regular studies, and finding their study, it's very good. So not only also police lines school and college, but also there's Carmichael College and Rangpur Cantonment College, and beside Rangpur Government College also. So and last year I don't know you know or not, last year you can recall that Rangpur Police Lines School and College they make good result in Rangpur city. So it's generally you can say this actually college is very beautiful, and the education system also very good.
দেখো লিখছে কে ভুলে অন্ধকার আলো শিখছে কে এটা গল্পকার দেখো লিখছে কে ভুলে অন্ধকার আলো শিখছে কে কিছু আবদারে জানি নেই মানে তোর সঙ্গে
I am going to share with you in life journey. So some people generally betrayed with you. So you don't look behind you, and just you keep going your hard work and skill. You build some like skill, like you can build your skill, computer skill, like English skill, and you can also business with online marketing and graphics, video editing also. So this is for simple skill for our life. So nowadays that it's very difficult to get any job in our life. If you talk about in Bangladesh, out of Bangladesh it's generally some job you can get easily, but in Bangladesh nowadays it's getting difficult day by day. So you should learn this skill. Like beside this skill you can learn that's how to drive car, how to drive minibus. It's important. And unfortunately suddenly suppose you got a job, so in this job there is an opportunity that they need to take a driver, and skillful driver like education driver. So they need to this type of driver. So if you already you have a skill like how to drive, so you can get this job